No, you don't need a brake job. They're spinners. It's like a spinning hubcap, but in reverse. That's fucking nuts. You can see it spinning.
How hard do you think that thing pulled when you actually hit it?
It had to have been pulling to the right. There's no way, or the left, I mean. There's no way, and he had to have felt this before it happened. Because that would shake your brake pedal violently.
Oh shit, yeah.
I mean, look at the gap in between the rotor and the hub. Wow.
It was
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any brake pad.
a good thing it didn't start.
It's Dodge Ram. Wow. That's the worst I've seen. And this came in for a starting issue. That a new starter that they just installed already failed. Customer states unit won't start. Just installed a brand new starter in the truck. Worked for about a day and then just stopped cranking. Come to find out, a brand new starter that he installed is also bad. Well, I think the starter's not your only problem. And he didn't mention anything about this. I mean, it's not even, it just spins around it. I mean, that's nuts. Yeah, I think you got more problems than a starter issue. Well, that's the problem right there. That brake pad's in backwards. Good mechanicking.
Who did the brake pad?